We the best music. DJ
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.
Oh my God, story time. So let me tell y'all about my day today. So today I had 2 clients, right? I had one at 9 in the morning, and then my second one wasn't until 4:30. So after I had finished my 9 o'clock client, I had went home. So fast forward, it's time to start the 4:30 client, and I get to the shop. My door is already open because my suite mate is there working on her client. But she's not there. It's just her client sitting in the chair. So it's already weird. I get in there. It's a big old box at my station. So I'm already pissed. It's a water jug at my station. It's like stuff at my station as if somebody had been using my station. So I'm low-key hot. So I'm talking mess to one of the barbers that work in the building. I'm like, bro, what's up with her? Why is she working at my station? I'm talking mess, but still like, why she got all this stuff at my station? Whoop-de-whoop. So my client finally walked in the door, and I'm just prepping him. I'm like, you can have a seat in this chair, but I'm like, you could set that box on the floor. So as he's setting the box on the floor, I look at the label, and it's saying my address, but I look, it say the Hollywood way. I'm like, hold the hell up. I'm doing all this mess talking, pissed at somebody at my station. That box is for me. So I'm like, in my head, I'm looking at the dude. I'm like, I ain't ordered that. And so in my head, I'm like, did he bring me something? So I'm asking him, I'm questioning him. I'm like, did you bring me something? He like, I don't know. Open it. So he got this look on his face, and it's giving like he could be playing it off, but it's like, I don't know, because he good for it. He capable of doing little cute stuff. So I'm like, man, in my head, I'm still trying to keep it P. I'm like, we finna go to the shampoo bowl. I don't like surprises. It's weird. I was not expecting this. I'm like, what is this? So I'm still playing it off. He like, nah, open it. So in my head, I'm like, dang, it gotta be from him. So and then my sweet mate finally walk in, cheesing. I'm like, what's up? What's this? She like, oh yeah, he walked in with the box. So in my head, I'm really confused. I'm like, why this man has set up here and bought me something to my appointment? I'm like, he done bought me, so I got to opening it, and I could see his flowers. So I'm really like, oh my God, this man is crazy. I'm like, why would he do this? Like, why would you do this? Like, surprise me like this? So y'all, he is still playing it off like he did it. So I finally got the busting it open. I read the card. Y'all, it was not even from him. It's just like, niggas are so funny. Like, why would you play it off like it's from you? Y'all, the person it was from definitely threw me off. Like, it threw me off for sure. It was very unexpected. But y'all, that man was really playing it off like that was from him. Like, I'm just dying. But y'all, it was 3 dozen roses. I got surprised with 3 dozen roses today. Like, somebody better like me. Yeah, I'm still tripping. I got 3 dozen roses today. And yeah, oh yeah, so the dude had the box in his hand because he said it was outside the door. He was just being a gentleman and bringing it in, I guess. I don't know, y'all, but today was cool. Hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe on my video. And if you haven't already, tune into my last video, my recent video of me talking about my top 5 products, braiding products, if you feel like you need help or some type of idea of what products to use. Drink, give me a sip.
Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't want to got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to know. I just wanna fantasize, and we got a lot of time. Baby, can throw the pipe, get in the night slide, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to
selling less than a half. Yeah, I'm on the ass, zooming down 85 with a bag and a half. Yeah, then my phone ring, it's a jug telling me to bring him a bag. Yeah, I bust a U-ball and dash. Yeah, this shit starting to smell like some ass. Yeah, my car be reeking the gas. Yeah, pistol on my lap, not the dashboard. Bitch, you don't get what you asked for. You only get what you paid for. I pay less but made more. Walked on my feet till they was sore. She heard me trap, Keisha Keo. Walked out that door, came in with more. I got that gas, gas. That gas, gas. That gas, gas. Nigga, I got that gas, gas. That gas, gas. That gas, gas. That gas, gas. Nigga, I got that gas, gas. I got that gas, gas. That gas, gas. That gas, gas. Nigga, I got that gas, gas. That gas, gas. That gas, gas. That gas, gas. Nigga, I got that.
So eyes like them red lights. Right now, I prefer yellow, red bone, so mellow. Fuck around me cutting you. No trees to blow through, but blow me and I owe you 2 grand from the sunrise. I wanted that ride in Colorado that night. I brought trees to blow through, but it's just me and no you. Stayed up till my phone died. Smoking big, rolling. Smoking good, rolling solo. Solo, 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 smoking good, rolling solo, solo, solo. Gotta tell you how much I vibe with you.
Bitch talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo stick style in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Hit the whip, put it up for my seeds. No trip for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your ass can pay. No disrespect, the nigga be trippin', but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the ring. Swapping, practice, 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 make practice. Nigga, it's never too late. Out of the state. Then I take the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it, DM me, I'm straight.
Look, I just flip the switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Body start to drop. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop? This the flow that got the block hot. Shit super hot. Hey, give me my respect. I just took it left like on every deck. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't make a sweat. That's because I'm gone. Out of here, I'm gone. I go from 6 to 20 feet like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack, serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmies cause they scared to rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a
Yeah, yeah, yeah. was a while ago. But now lately, it feels like, I feel like all we do is fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over, straighten it out, work it out. 'Cause I don't wanna be, I don't wanna live, I don't wanna go, position. I don't wanna be I don't wanna be. God, please hold my